The heart. It's the engine of your life, beating day and night, tirelessly working to keep you alive. This powerful organ is nestled inside your chest, protected by the rib cage. The rib cage acts like a shield, safeguarding this vital organ from harm. The heart is the hardest working muscle in your body. It contracts and relaxes continuously, pumping blood throughout your entire system. It never gets a break. From the moment you're born until the day you die, your heart is always at work. What does the heart do? It pumps blood. This blood is essential for delivering oxygen and nutrients to every cell in your body. Blood carries oxygen and nutrients to every cell in your body. Without this constant supply, cells would not be able to function properly. Without a heart, your body wouldn't get what it needs to survive. The heart is crucial for maintaining life. Think of a car engine. Just like an engine needs fuel to run, your heart needs blood to function. It needs fuel to run. The heart's fuel is the blood that flows through it, providing the necessary energy to keep it beating. The heart needs blood to do its job. Without a steady supply of blood, the heart cannot function properly. The heart and blood work together to keep you alive. This intricate system ensures that your body gets the oxygen and nutrients it needs to thrive. The heart and blood work together to keep you alive. This intricate system ensures that your body gets the oxygen and nutrients it needs to thrive. The heart is a powerful pump. It tirelessly works day and night, ensuring that blood circulates throughout our body. This vital organ is central to our survival. But it's also a complex organ. Its structure is intricate and beautifully designed to perform its function efficiently. It has 4 chambers that work together. These chambers are essential for the heart's function, each playing a unique role in the circulatory system. These chambers are like 4 rooms in a house. Just as rooms in a house have different purposes, so do the chambers of the heart. Each room has a specific purpose. They work in harmony to ensure that blood flows correctly through the heart and to the rest of the body. The top 2 chambers are called atria. These chambers are crucial for receiving blood. Think of them as receiving rooms. They collect blood coming into the heart. The right atrium receives blood from the body. This blood is low in oxygen and needs to be sent to the lungs. The left atrium receives blood from the lungs. This blood is rich in oxygen and ready to be pumped to the rest of the body. The bottom 2 chambers are called ventricles. They are the powerhouse of the heart. These are the pumping chambers. They push blood out of the heart to the lungs and the rest of the body. The right ventricle pumps blood to the lungs. Here the blood picks up oxygen and releases carbon dioxide. The left ventricle pumps blood to the rest of the body. This oxygen-rich blood nourishes tissues and organs, keeping the body functioning. Blood flows through the heart in a specific direction, ensuring that our body gets the oxygen and nutrients it needs to function properly. It's like a one-way street, where traffic moves smoothly in a single direction without any backflow. Valves in the heart make sure the blood flows the right way, preventing any backward movement and maintaining a steady flow. These valves open and close like doors, allowing blood to pass through at the right moments and sealing shut to stop any reverse flow. First, deoxygenated blood, which is blood low in oxygen, enters the right atrium from the body. This blood is low in oxygen because it has delivered oxygen to the body's tissues and picked up carbon dioxide and other waste products. From the right atrium, it flows into the right ventricle, which is one of the heart's 4 chambers. The right ventricle then pumps this deoxygenated blood to the lungs through the pulmonary arteries. In the lungs, the blood picks up oxygen and releases carbon dioxide, a process essential for respiration. This oxygen-rich blood then returns to the heart, entering the left atrium, ready to be pumped out to the body. From the left atrium, it flows into the left ventricle, the heart's most powerful chamber. The left ventricle then pumps this oxygenated blood to the rest of the body through the aorta, ensuring that every cell receives the oxygen it needs to thrive. The heart beats continuously throughout your life. Each beat is a carefully orchestrated cycle. This cycle ensures that your body receives a constant supply of oxygen-rich blood. Without this constant supply, your organs and tissues would quickly shut down. The heart is a vital organ. Taking care of your heart is crucial for your overall health and well-being. A healthy diet, regular exercise, and avoiding smoking are just a few ways to keep your heart strong. Remember, your heart is working hard for you, so show it some love.